So I'm giving you guys the mobile app journey today, so you guys will know. So what is the process of mobile application development? So mobile application development is once the backend is completed, if an application is dynamic, means the client will be logging, client will be doing some type of work. Like a TS40 application, mobile app is dynamic. Once the backend development is completed, and the decision is made that specific functionality has to be on to go to the mobile app. So the first of all, mobile app UI need to be designed, and developer actually need the API access permission. Once they get the API access permission, a developer can start developing. If the developer does not understand, or if there is any question, the mobile app developer can set up a meeting with the front end, the backend developer. Once this meeting happen, understand clearly, then the mobile app developer complete the development. Once the development is happen, and there is like a 3 environment. Based on the company, some has a 4 environment: development, testing, staging, production. All is started with the developer computer, then it goes to the development environment. It is only for the software, the development team, means software developer. And then once they complete the testing, then the code is deployed onto the test environment by the DevOps engineer. Then the QA can test it, by the way. But so for the mobile app, it is different. Once the development is complete for an Android is a completely different, Android Studio is a programming language to develop the Android apps. For the iOS, the Swift is the programming language to develop the iOS application. There is a cross-functional programming language as well, like the Flutter, that you write the programming language one time, you are actually generating 2 applications. There is also another is React Native, that also you do the same thing. You write the programming language, you are writing the code one time and you are generating the 2 apps. TS40 we are using the React Native. So with the Shimul actually developed the code one time, and he actually produced the code in 2 different places. One is for the iOS, one is for the App Store.